Hi kids, welcome back once again. So first of all tell me, how are you today? Today I am here and today we are going to start chapter number 23 in English grammar and the concept is prepositions. What is a preposition? First of all we will define it. A preposition is a word used to show the relation of one thing to another in a sentence, like this: the table and doll, doll and this basket. This is doll and toys. So what is the connection between the doll and the toys? What is the connection between Priya and doll, and what is the connection between door and the doll? So now we will use the word to show the relationship between doll and the table. Priya's doll is under the table. Priya's doll is under the table. Now there is a connection of under. Priya's doll is under the table. Priya की doll table के नीचे है. Second is Priya's doll is between two toys. Priya's doll is between two toys. यहाँ पर two toys है और इन two toys के बीच में प्रिया की doll है. So connection क्या है? Between. Priya's doll is near the door. Priya's doll is near the door. प्रिया की जो डॉल है वो डोर के पास है. Priya is playing with her doll. Priya is playing with her doll. If I say Priya is playing her doll, there is no sense. Now if I say Priya's doll is the door, no sense. So a preposition is a word used to show the relation of one thing to another in a sentence. Prepositions are very small words like in, on, under, of, at, but they are very important. They are necessary to understand the meaning of a sentence. Like if I say Priya's doll is between the table, but the sentence is wrong because Priya's doll is under the table. Now Priya's doll is near the doll, and if I say Priya's doll is under the door, so the sentence is wrong. So they are necessary to understand the meaning of a sentence. Now look at these pictures. Priya's doll is under the table. Priya's doll is between two toys. Priya's doll is near the door. Priya is playing with her doll. In the above sentences, in, on, under, between, near and with are prepositions. A preposition usually has a noun or a pronoun after it. So now some more preposition words are around यानी चारों तरफ, up, down, for, like I bought a new dress for you, from, to, with, over, beside, into, upon, above, below and etc. Now next is, let us learn about some more prepositions. A bird is flying over the tree, not upon the tree. A bird is flying over the tree. We are standing in front of a tree. We are standing in front of a tree. We are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus. I am standing with Sanjay. I am standing with Sanjay. Like if I say I am standing with my friend. We go to school. So there is a connection between we and school. We go to school every day. January comes after December. January comes after December. They are smiling at one another. They are smiling at one another. The dress is made of. The dress is made of. We use of after made. The dress is made of silk. The man is standing by the window. The man is standing by the window. Neha is standing between her father and mother. So here is father and here is mother. Now look here. She is mother and she is father, and Neha is standing between her father and her mother. Now next is underline the prepositions in these sentences. Now look here. The medicine is for Trisha. So here is medicine is a preposition. No is a helping verb. For, yes, the medicine is for Trisha. So there is a relation between medicine and Trisha. So for is showing the connection between medicine and Trisha. She is suffering from fever. She is suffering from fever. The team will reach the ground in the morning. The team will reach the ground in the morning. Next is Priyanka kept her books on the table. Not under the table, on the table. I bought the vegetables from the market. She is writing with a pencil, as I am writing with a pen. The car is parked in front of the gate. The car is parked in front of the gate. Gate के सामने है. The car is parked in front of the gate. So the preposition is in front of. A cycle is kept under the tree. A cycle is kept under the tree. पेड़ के नीचे. Our school is near our house. Our school is near our house. So there is a connection between school and our house. Near. Near shows the connection. The dog is sleeping under the table. The dog is sleeping under the table. Now next is the clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Nikhil sat between Hitesh and Jatin. Hitesh and Jatin are two. So Nikhil sat between Hitesh and Jatin. So between. The bird is flying over the tree. The boy is playing in the garden. Not on the garden, not under the garden, in the garden. That's it. So again, a preposition is a word used to show the relation of one thing to another in a sentence. For example, in, on, under, of, at, etc. So now I will be sending the assignment of the definition of preposition, and you have to write it down in your notebook, in your fair notebook, and make sure you have to learn this also. So take care. Goodbye. We will meet you soon and complete that work.